Hello and welcome. You know the situation. The planning is finished, the rendering is ready, and now everything needs to get to the client quickly. In daily sales business, every minute counts. Content needs to be instantly available, look professional, and ideally be directly experienceable. That's exactly where Impress comes in. In this video, we'll show you 5 practical tips for sharing planning content in pCon.planner quickly, whether you're an interior designer, professional planner, or part of the sales team. Let's start with a particularly time-saving feature, sharing renderings directly. Once you've created a rendering, you can share it straight from the image dialog in pCon.planner. Simply click Share in the top right corner, and the image is uploaded and immediately available as a link and QR code. There's no need to save intermediate files, export images, or send large attachments. You can display a high-quality rendering in your presentation and provide instant access via QR code at the same time. This allows you to stay focused on the conversation instead of managing files, while your client can access the image on any device. In the sharing dialog of pCon.planner Professional, you decide how much information your recipient should see. By checking Include Article Information, you define whether product details such as manufacturer, series, article number, or additional texts are visible within the Impress link. For technical coordination or internal approvals, this creates clarity and transparency. In client presentations, you can intentionally hide this information and place full emphasis on design, atmosphere, and spatial impact. In other words, you don't just determine the content, but also the depth of your presentation. With a single click on Share, you receive one link that covers multiple use cases. The model can be explored interactively in the browser, or placed in the real environment using augmented reality on a smartphone. One QR code is all it takes to transform a digital plan into an experience within a real space. Especially in sales conversations, this creates a completely different dynamic. Products become tangible, decisions easier to understand, and design options can be evaluated directly on site. Here's a small detail that significantly speeds up your workflow. As soon as the sharing dialog opens and the upload is complete, the share link is automatically copied to your clipboard. You can immediately paste it into an email, a chat message, or your presentation without any additional clicks. It's a small optimization that keeps your process smooth and uninterrupted. And finally, tip number 5. The camera position or view you select in pCon.planner is preserved when sharing. If you define a specific perspective like a top view or detailed section, the link will open exactly with that view. This allows you to deliberately control what your client or project partner sees first. This is particularly helpful when comparing variants, or when you want to focus attention on a specific product or planning decision. You define the focus, and therefore the first impression. These were 5 practical tips for sharing with Impress in pCon.planner. Whether it's a rendering, a 3D model, or an AR experience, you move faster from planning result to professional presentation, creating real engagement in client meetings. Try these features in your next project and use Impress for what it truly is, a powerful tool for planning and sales. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.